the one in the back. I couldn't get that window open. Tried pretty hard. It just doesn't budge. Probably need some lubricant to get it open. In our pool bathroom, so this one right here behind us, the grout in the very corner of the shower is starting to crack, so I recommend having that sealed. In the guest bathroom, so the bathroom in the hallway, the balance rods are sticking up out of the top of the window in the frame. There's some solar panels on the roof, so it limits my view of the roof. Just want the buyer to be aware of that. The pressure gauge on the pool filter is fogged. That happens from the sun beating down on the plastic cover. It still operates properly. The pool pump's not bonded, so when the pool pump was installed, they didn't attach a bonding wire to the bonding lug. And there's a small leak near the salt cell at the pool equipment. There's a little puddle of water underneath the salt cell. It could be a loose fitting or a bad O-ring. And then the pool fence is not installed right now, so I can't view the pool fence.
It's in the head.
Yep. That's everything.
That's
Oh,
it?
Man, that's rough.
Yeah, that's a toughie.
That's a toughie.